Welcome to Universalis. Universalis is all about reading, and when it comes to reading text, different people like to read it in different ways. Some like small print, some like it bigger, some like it really big, and some people need to have it enormous. This size only really makes sense if you are on an iPad. Some people like dark letters on a light background, like paper. Some people prefer the screen to be dark, especially at night. Some people prefer to scroll through the text the way you scroll through a web page. Others prefer to turn from page to page as you would in a book. This video will show you how to set up all these preferences for yourself. First, text size. This is the commonest thing that people like to change, and so it is the easiest to get to. To make the text bigger, double tap on it. To make it bigger still, double tap again. Here is the largest size you can get to just by double tapping. If you double tap again, you will go to the smallest size, and you can carry on up from there. Everything else, including extra large text sizes, you can set in the font screen. Here is how you get to it. First, tap once on the text in the middle of the screen, and at the top a toolbar will appear. At the right-hand edge of the toolbar there is the Fonts button. Tap it. And here is the screen where you can set up all your text preferences. Let's go through it systematically. Right at the top, next to the slider which controls the brightness, you will see three small buttons. These control whether the screen is light or dark. The right-hand button is what happens if you don't do anything. It makes the app follow whatever your phone is doing, light if the phone is light, dark if the phone is dark. The middle button makes the screen dark always. And the left-hand button makes it light always. Moving down, below the sample text, there is a slider. This lets you control the size of the text, all the way from very small to very large. Let's leave it on something in between. Below the slider, there is a list of available typefaces. I have my phone set to Cochin because I like it best, but you have a wide choice. Let's stick to this one for now. Finally, there is the question of scrolling versus paging. At the bottom right of the screen there is a switch. Turn it on to get scrolling, turn it off to get page turning. It's on at the moment, so let's turn it off to see what difference that will make. And here you are, a different typeface and page turning mode. But of course, if you don't like those settings, you can change them again at any time. That concludes this video, but here are a couple of extra things that you might find useful. Tap the text once to make the toolbar appear again. On the left-hand side of the toolbar, you will see an information sign, a letter I in a circle. Tap it. Now you have a menu, and there are two commands in that menu that will help you as you are learning your way round Universalis. Help and Tips gives you full instructions for using every aspect of the app with illustrations. And Contact Us is the best way of getting in touch with us if you have questions or problems. Thank you for watching, and enjoy Universalis.